This week, the Inspector General for the Department of Justice released its long-awaited report on the irresponsible gun-walking operation known as Fast and Furious. At first glance, the Inspector General's report reaffirms virtually everything that Congressman Issa and I have already reported in a long report issued about a month ago. It's clear that both the ATF and the Justice Department failed to provide meaningful oversight of the Operation Fast and Furious. They ignored warnings from employees and, frankly, failed to do their job. Because it took the death of our own Border Patrol agent, action by a courageous whistleblower, and intense scrutiny from Congress before the people in the Justice Department even took note of what was happening right there under their own eyes. Even then, the Justice Department wouldn't come clean with how bad it really was until after they had sent a false letter and then retracted that false letter 8 months later. It's particularly discouraging that this all could have been stopped early on if people had just read the wiretapped applications. The Inspector General noted that anybody reading those documents should have seen tremendous number of red flags. The law requires that certain senior officials authorize those applications, and the Inspector General found that they did so authorize without even reading them. We'll be reading the report in more detail. We've already noticed that the report contains a factual error that the Assistant Attorney General Lanny Breuer leaves him off the hook, specifically in regards to the February 4th letter to me that the department later had to retract because of numerous errors and inaccuracies, and Lanny Breuer said so in an open committee meeting. The report accepts Brewer's version of events, claiming that he hadn't proposed edits, commented on drafts, or otherwise indicated that he had read these reports. In fact, emails show that he received drafts of the February 4th letter and commented on them before the letter was even sent. And that's what he later denied to the Congress. But last but not least, I hope the report helps answer questions for the Terry family. They deserve more answers than they've received up to this point from their very own government that's responsible for the Fast and Furious gun walking, where the guns came from that were found at the murder scene of their son.